Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, October the 18th, 2022, we have here one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also extra puzzles, an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Let me show you. The first one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku. We have a tectonic with 4 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblok. And the last one, a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. So half of them I will solve, 4 of them I will solve, and also this Sudoku medium. So total of 5. I will solve this one first. But what is the news of today? Let me show you the front page. Well, the war in Ukraine, yeah. Air attack with drones. Well. They are shooting the drones out the air, yes. But they have destroyed buildings. So it looks like a sci-fi movie with drones. So it's something new with the war. Anyway, let me continue with this puzzle. Enough with the war. Alright, this one will be 5, 3, 4, 5. Alright, 5, 3, 4, 5. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, we have here 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, and the 3 stars Sudoku, 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. And for 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this first row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Then. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this column, so no 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright, now we have two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then let me see. How about I'm thinking the 1 in this row, last row, the 1 in the row above. So in that row, only place left for the 1 should be there. Two missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 8. Okay. Alright. Then 2. Yeah. I'm thinking. 7, 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Sorry. 8. Okay. 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Right. 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in the last column. No 1 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 5. Okay. I'm thinking. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Okay. Right. 9. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. Yeah, I'm thinking. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6. Should be there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5. 7 and a 3. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. That means 2 missing numbers now in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the first column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 6 goes there. So, 9. Okay, cannot continue with the 9 now. 7 through. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Overlook this 7. So 1 box left in this big square for number 3. Two numbers left in the last column. Four numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be, and the 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 5. So 8. Yeah, we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this column. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this row. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the last in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 5, 5. 6, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 in these 3 boxes here. 6 in this row. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the first column. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there in this big square. Here or there, we see a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. Now we have a 6 here in this column, so no 6 in this box. Only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1, and number 6. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. Yeah. We have a 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this row. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. Cannot continue with 1. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. So we have a 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here in the middle row. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. and all the ones I used I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Fine. No 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. Not so fast. I expected, but we saw it again. So it's definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we'll meet again later on in the afternoon or in the evening. I believe in the evening for the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, we will meet again. Yes. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday, and see you later. Bye bye for now.